So we had a quick look in the configurations methods, and now let's use one of them. We want to structure the whole project to be an MVC project. But in .NET Core, you have to explicitly tell that that's how you want your project to be. Or in other words, you need to configure the project to be an MVC project. Fortunately, that's very simple. All we need to do is tell the app to add and use the MVC. To do that, we will add the services in the configure services method by calling add MVC method to the current services, which are passed into the method from the iService collection right here. So we will do services.add and we will add the MVC. So add MVC method. By the way, the whole idea of injecting the interfaces directly is at the heart of .NET Core. The dependency injection, as it is called, is a requirement, not an option in .NET Core. And it makes for a very easy implementation of middleware or interfaces that we want to make part of our app. Alright, so we added the service for the MVC. You can see that it's an extension. And now we have to add it to the pipeline itself, which goes to the configure method. And it's just as easy. This one has iApplicationBuilder interface injected into the constructor, and that's what we are going to use. So app.useMVC. So this command adds MVC to the request execution pipeline. So now our app is MVC ready. We'll be coming back to the startup.cs file a lot, but for now, this is all we need. Alright, so next, let's have a look at our classes and relationships.